Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can activate a Google Fi SIM on iPhone. In order to do so, we're going to check in with Cider AI. According to Cider, to activate a Google Fi SIM on your iPhone, first order a SIM kit. Once you have that, insert the SIM card into your iPhone, then download and open the Google Fi app to set up your phone number and activate the service. You might need to enable cellular data in your iPhone settings and disable Wi-Fi to ensure the activation process runs smoothly. A data-only SIM can also be activated if you need extra data. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in using Cider AI, take a look in the description. You'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Roamless eSIM, and you'll find Cider AI as well. Click on the link to get started. You'd be helping us out, and we would greatly appreciate it.